how to turn on or turn off nearby device scanning on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, scroll down and click on More Connection Settings. After click on More Connection Settings, you will see first option is Nearby Device Scanning. If you want to turn off nearby device scanning, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see nearby device scanning is turned off. If you want to turn on nearby device scanning, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see nearby device scanning is turned on. You will turn on or turn off nearby device scanning from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off nearby device scanning on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.